Are you tired of manually managing shift schedules every week? Learn how to set up a recurring shift schedule in Google Calendar in under 3 minutes. First, we'll create a new event and name it. Then we'll set the date, start and end times, and make it repeat weekly. Finally, add notes and save. First, click Create to add a new event. Then, click on that event to open up its details. Now, go ahead and enter the shift name. For example, morning shift. Next, click the Date button to select the date for the shift. Let's choose July 27, 2026 as the start date for our schedule. After that, set the starting time by clicking the Time field. Select the appropriate time for the shift to begin. Then, set the ending time by clicking the End Time field. Pick the time when the shift ends. Click Does Not Repeat to open repeat settings. Select Weekly and choose Monday as the repeat day. Click More Options to reveal additional fields. In the description field, add any relevant shift details. Finally, click Save to finalize your shift schedule, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.